live. Hello, let's live right now. Hello, everyone. So I think we are live. So please confirm. Oh yeah, we are live. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. How are you? Just 1 second. I think. Yes. So okay, I hope you're getting my voice. Yes, please tell me if you're getting my voice. Yes, everybody is getting my voice. Your voice is clear. Thank you. Thank you very much for confirmation. Okay. Okay, so let's start today's session. So in the previous session, we completed the basic things, basic structure, what is Python, where Python can be used. Okay, so today I'm going to start with some different topics. So I'm sharing my screen. Let me check what is the network I'm using. Okay, that's coding Python. Entire screen, screen number 1. So I hope you're getting my screen. Yes. Oh, yes. So yes, you are getting my screen. So let's see. So today we are going to do the what are the operators. Okay, what are the operators? Python operator, different type of operators, and if and else statements. Okay, and we will learn something which is very significant. That is the variable memory. Okay, so when you do programming, it's very basic thing, but it's important thing to understand how the Python is storing the variable inside it. So we need to understand that thing, because in different language this concept is very different, because if you use Java language, memory is saving different. So you have to understand how Python is saving things inside it. Okay, with the in the RAM. Okay, so I hope you get the sense. So you will not get this thing on any YouTube channel or anything, so you will get here only. Okay. Sir, can I get job based on HTML, CSS? Can I get a job based on HTML, CSS, JavaScript? Uh, Dear, I'm telling you, it's not easy. Just based on this, because everybody in this world know HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Even Chat GPT knows these things very well. Okay, so you need to learn something extra. So let's see what are how many operators are there. Okay, Python lecture. Okay, I'm back. I don't know what's happened. So let's start. Okay. So Python variable. Python variable. What's a Python variable? Python variable means linking a data to a name. Okay, linking data to a name. Yesterday I told you that Python variable things. Okay. So there are some rule associated with the Python variables. So like keyword cannot be used as a variable. So consider ink to go. Let me Create the diagram. Okay, consider what's happening. Just 1 second. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. So can you tell me what is the meaning of variable? Yes, tell me. Yesterday, a lot of student replied the answers. Variable means, just 1 second. This touchpad is not working well. Just 1 second. I don't know what's happening. Okay, variable means like a equal to 10. Okay. So in the RAM, just 1 second. What's happening with this one? Just 1 second. Done. Now it's okay. Perfect, fine. Okay, so consider a is a variable here. When you write a equal to 10, in the memory, it checks if it is integer. If it is integer, it checks that do we have 10 inside it or not. Okay, do we have 10 inside it? If it has, yes, it has 10 already. If don't, it clear 10 inside it and assign a to this one. Okay, and now if I create b equal to 10, then I want to ask, it will create the same memory or different memory. Consider a equal to 10, and if I check the address, this is a memory address. This is a memory address. If I create b equal to 10, then tell me it would be same or not. Tell me in the chat box. It would be same or not. Yes, yes, yes. I can see the comments. Yes. Reply. If we check b, both are same. Both are same. Okay. Getting sense or not? Okay. Both are same. Now, x equal to 300, y equal to 300. If I check the address of x, if I check the address of y, now tell me same or different. Tell me the answer for this one, for x and y. Same. Let me change the color. Color is not good here. Yeah. Tell me same or not. In the case of xy, in the case of xy, it's saying that please full the screen. Dear, that's not in my hand. That's let's go. I can. This is a screen. This standard size of their screen. Now people are saying same. Now let's check the answer. So dear, both are different. So this may be the interview question. Yes. Now it's thank you very much. So मैं इसको थोड़ा सीधा कर लेता हूँ. Let me yeah this side. आप ठीक है इतना ठीक है right. So now I can see both are the different. So this can be a good interview question. Okay. Now one more question. A equal to 100. B equal to 100. ID of A and ID of B. Now tell me both are same or different. Now tell me both are same or different. Both are same. Okay, so I hope you are getting this sense what I'm going to say, that you will not get this thing on any uh, different channel. You will get only here. Let's upgrade. Okay, so what is the meaning? What is the reason behind it? देखिए होता क्या है? What's the reason behind it? So let me run it again. Ink to go. So what's happening when you write a equal to 10? Okay, if this 10 is this boundary, this is a boundary. If any variable, if you create any variable inside this boundary and including this and inside this boundary, means if you create 100, if you create 10, it means that only for integer. Okay, if you create any number inside this -5 to 256, including this, you will get the same memory address. Let's see. Consider a equal to 255, b equal to 255, id of a and id of b, both are same. Okay, -5 to 256 rule. Always remember this rule: -5 to 256. If any number, any integer lies between in this boundary, you will get the same answer. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. अब देखिए, ठीक है. So I hope you're getting the answer. Yes. Any doubt? अभिनव पूछता है, how can machine learning be used in real life application? Dear, real life application, daily you can use it. Like ChatGPT application, you can daily use it. Okay, machine learning, you can daily use it for your task. How much knowledge of Python is necessary for data engineer role? Dear, Python is necessary. How much? I'm telling you. Basic. When you say basic, so you should know uh, variable structure, list, tuple, dictionary, string, some modules, functions, classes. So these are timing. How to use time in Python. So these are the necessary module you should learn before jumping to the data engineering role. Okay. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया ये वाली बात. ओके, आई होप यू गेट द सेंस. चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया. ओके, सो कंसीडर a equal to 50 and b equal to a. Now b equal to 50, right? If I say a equal to 70, so what would be the value of b? Now tell me. Now I'm giving you two options. One is a, one is b. Sorry, not a, b. So 1 and 2. One is saying it's 70 and second is saying it's 50. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. It's like interview questions. Yes, 70 or 50. Your screen is a little bit blurred. Let me check. क्या problem है blur में? It's due to maybe it's quality. Just use your higher picture quality. Okay, so B is 50, dear. Okay, how? So understand the rule of assignment and reassignment. Understand the rule of assignment. देखिए, whenever you write this one, a equal to 50, at this statement, फिर से करते हैं, a equal to 50, at this statement, this is assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator in the RAM. In the RAM, 50 is there, a is pointing to 50, and this is a memory address of 50. कहीं पे let's say 124. Just imagine. Okay, this is a memory address for 50. Now whenever you saying b equal to a, it means that you are passing the address. You are passing the address. Now b is also pointing to same memory address. Okay, now this step, you are reassigning a again. You are reassigning a. It means that a start pointing to 70 and cut this one and start pointing to this one. Okay, so now A is pointing to 70 but B is still pointing to 50. So this is the case of reassignment and ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Okay, okay, got it? Yes. Any doubt? Okay, consider A equal to, yes, one more thing. In Python, integer, float, string, tuple, tuple. So मैं tuple तब पे नहीं आ रहा. आई एम नॉट कमिंग इन द स्ट्रिंग ऑल्सो. जस्ट मैं बात कर रहा हूं इनकी. वैसे all आर दीज आर what? Immutable. ये सब immutable. These all are the immutable. Okay, immutable. What's the meaning of immutable? And, Anand Abhishek is saying that because you didn't use assignment for B. Yes, right. Clear, Sunil. Good. Anand Ayash is saying A double equal to B, then B value also. No, yes, and yeah. It's not double equal to, it's equal to only. Okay. Immutable. Immutable means, immutable का meaning क्या है? Just remember, just try to understand. मैंने कहा int, float, and tuple and string, these are immutable. Consider in the memory, if you create it, in the memory, if you create A equal to 10 and 10 is at memory address, consider if I check the memory address of 10, this is a memory address of 10, 7, 8, 9, 6. I'm just writing last four numbers. Okay, when you reassignment, when you do reassignment, देखिए, if you do this thing A plus plus, what would you the answer? A plus plus. Yes. What would you the answer? Please tell me in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. A plus plus, it's an error, dear. Okay, it's an error. It's not possible because in the C language ये possible था है. In C language A plus plus means आपने यहाँ 10 किया तो यहाँ पे 11 हो जाएगा. It means that C में कैसे थोड़ा सा आपको you should know how to compare means other language. देखिए inside the C language में क्या था? In the C language, I'm talking about the, तो मैं कलर चेंज कर लेता हूँ. C language का स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं. C language अगर 10 A pointing to 10 and after this statement this integer became 11 after this statement, but in Python this statement is not allowed. This statement is not allowed, so in Python you have to use A plus 1. What's the meaning of this one, A equal to A plus 1? It means that a Python में देखना it means that you are reassigning A to 11. Now 10 as it is in the memory, 10 वही रहेगा memory में as it is. Wait, okay, 10 as it is रहेगा but it now reassigning to 11. So I hope you get the sense. Please tell me, getting sense or not? So I hope you get a sense comparison between C language and Python. Getting sense or not? Yes, tell me. So I hope you get a sense of memory saving. These are necessary things. Sometimes people ask in the interview, and you should know while writing the code. कि भाई A plus plus नहीं होता because A plus plus means changing the number in the memory, and it's not possible in the Python because integer, float, these are the immutable data structures. Getting sense? ठीक है? चलिए. ID changes. Yes, ID change होगी ID, right? बिल्कुल. If you check the ID, previously it was 69, but now it's because it's 11. Because you're doing reassignment, dear. Whenever you encounter this one, जब भी ये आएगा ये this one, this is a linking. ये जो linking है, this one is equal to operator, not assignment operator. Okay. So I hope you're getting the sense. Yes, समझ में आया? Yes, are you getting some sense from here? Yes. So both shorty, it's a dot. I think whenever you learn something from internet, there's some dot. Now I'm feeling those dot here. Okay, चलिए, ठीक है. So in the case of float, consider if I use a 1 equal to 1.4 and b equal to 1.4, check the ID, both are different. Okay, in the case of float, both are different. In the string, it's a in the case of string, it's a, you can say it is a um, fuzzy, may be same or may not be same. Consider if you say hello or b equal to hello, same numbers as it is, ID of a, ID of b, both are same. In the case of string, now I'm changing the string little bit. The ID of a and ID of b. Now this time it's different. Okay, so आप कहोगे यहाँ पे string same थी but address are same, but यहाँ पे भी string same but here address are different. So in the case of string, it's a fuzzy, you cannot predict, so it's a fuzzy. Okay, maybe or may not be. In the case of float, always different. In the case of integer, always remember this funda, -5 to 256. Okay, in the case of string, fuzzy. Okay, getting sense or not? So now let's complete the Python operators. Okay, in the Python we have 7 type of operators: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment, bitwise, logical, membership, and identity. Okay, before jumping to the operator, I want to know one thing. So do you like this variable like structure, saving thing, memory thing? Yes, please let me know in the chat box. I'm listening in chat box. Please tell me. Did you like this one? Memory saving things, a plus plus, all these storing of integer, float. Please tell me. So one, I don't know the name, but it's he is asking question. It's I think Nashi and Shinish. I don't know how to game different output value. Different output value means I'm not getting. Okay, people are saying liked it. That thank you very much. So now first is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. That's we have been learning since our childhood. ठीक है ना? यही हम अपने बचपन से याद कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. आईडी एक फंक्शन है डियर. आईडी इज अ फंक्शन बाय विच वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट द एड्रेस. देखिए फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको सी लैंग्वेज का थोड़ा सा पाइथन के साथ कंपेयर करके. यहाँ पे एक 10 करते हैं, यहाँ पे एक 10 करते हैं, यहाँ पे एड्रेस निकालने के लिए ए करते थे, यहाँ पे आईडी करते हैं. ठीक है, समझ आ गया? गेटिंग सेंस? चलिए. नाउ अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर में इन वी हैव अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर एक्सपोनेंट. एक्सपोनेंट मीन्स पावर सिंबल. तो कंसिडर इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड द पावर ऑफ, कंसिडर ऐसे लिखते हैं हम लोग 10 रेज पावर 4. सो इन द पाइथन वी राइट लाइक दिस 4. ओके, सो इट इज नॉट लाइक कि आप ऐसे लिखो इट्स 10 रेज पावर 4. इट डजंट मीन दैट 10 raise power 4. No, yeah, this is not the power. Sometimes people think this is a power symbol. No, this is a power symbol. Okay, please understand, this is a power symbol, double star, that's a power. Okay, so exponent हो गया. Multiply, 10 multiply by 4, 5 multiply by 4. Okay, this is multiply. Now 56. Now divide. 56 divided by 7, 8.0. 56 divided by 6, I'm getting answer in this one, integer answer, float answer. Okay, point to me answer in float answer. Okay, right? So consider if you want to know the remainder. So this is a, you can use percentage sign. Address, dear Monisha, it's an address. ID means address, memory address. How to find the memory address? Okay. Now next is plus 66. Okay. And then minus. Now we have floor division. Floor. What's the meaning of floor division? In the mathematics, consider this this symbol. Do you know what's the output of this one? In case of A, what would be the output of? Tell me. This is a mathematics B, and finally what's the value of ABC? Please tell me in the chat box. Yes, it's a floor value, floor symbol. Okay, tell me what would be the answer? ABC. Tell me in the chat box. Let's make this session more interactive. कि मैं ही नहीं बोल रहा. You can also write. So play this game of yes or no uh, into type of questions. Now tell me the answers. So every time when you use lowercase means it's a floor value. It means that 4, 4, or 4. Okay, getting sense? This is a floor value. So consider what's a floor value. Floor value means remove the float part, just the integer part. Consider now in the 56 divided by 6, we're getting 9.3, but floor value is saying 9. Floor value is saying 9. Okay, floor value. Yes, any doubt, anyone? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, so this one is also completed. Next is the comparison operator. Comparison operator. How to compare it? Ha, comparison operator. So consider if you want to compare 10 to, okay, just a second. 10 greater than 11. So this is a comparison operator. Okay, equal to, false. Always return in answer in the boolean. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, only less than. Okay. Yes, anybody, any doubt? Okay. So if you want to know 10 equal to 10, b equal to 20, both are equal or not, double equal to means I'm comparing A with B. I'm comparing A with B. Can we compare integer value in comparison? Yes, we can compare integer value. We can compare float value. But one thing, always remember A equal to A equal to 10 and B equal to 10. Now A equal to B. Please tell me answer in the chat box. Tell me in the chat. Sir, what symbol just we use for floor? So that's a floor division, dear, not floor, just floor division. Floor division. But division karega, then apply the floor value. Okay. Yes, tell me the answer here. True or false? Or others? True, false, or other? Tell me answer. True, false, or other? Please tell me. देखिए, even if you are saying true or false, in the both cases, if you are saying true or if you are saying false, in the both cases you are agree that you are agree one thing. क्या? What? Both are comparable. Either true or false means you are agree, you are thinking both are comparable. But dear, it's not possible in Python. Okay, it's a working. Wow. Python it's false, but it should be the just 1 second. Equal 10 and b equal to 10. Sir, and if I compare greater than symbol, yeah, equal to is working, but not this symbol. This symbol is not working. Equal to is working. It's comparing. He though both are not comparable, but this symbol is not working. Okay. Int string is not equal. That's why. But if you compare, consider this one equal to b. So यहाँ पे error है, वहाँ पे error नहीं आएगा. वहाँ that's okay, that's working because both are not comparable. False. Okay. But if you compare like which is greater? Okay. Is not comparable. And answer is instances of string and integer cannot be comparable. So though different instances cannot be comparable. Okay. So please make sure that whenever you do something and you are not getting the results, check the type of A and B. Because देखिए अब if you write here print A, print B, both are giving same thing. It looks like both are integer. लेकिन आपको क्या मिल रहा है? Error. Why? So check the type of A, check the type of B. Yes, तो यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है. A is a string. You can see print में देखिए in the print you can see 10. B also 10. What's the problem with that? So check the type before doing anything. Always check the type. Okay, so I hope you get the sense. चलिए, तो ये तो आपको समझ में आ गया. And not equal to symbol like 10, not equal to 10, false. Okay. ठीक है, चलिए. So comparison operator completed. Next, assignment operator. So this is very simple. Assignment operator, this thing we have already done. ये हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर a equal to 10 एंड दीज आर सम शॉर्टकट्स. किसका? इसका. कंसीडर a equal to a plus 10 ऐसे लिखना है. तो यू कैन यूज शॉर्टकट. कैसे? a plus equal to 10. ये शॉर्टकट है. दिस शॉर्टकट. बट sometime what happens, sometime we write like this, we wrote like this, we write like this. So that's why don't take any shortcut. Use as it is. तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. You can use as it is. Okay. Shortcut and these are variants, but I am not advising you to use this kind of shortcut. So use this one, more explicit. Okay. Now bitwise operator. A bitwise operator, what's the meaning of bitwise operator? So these operators are useful for the uh, electronics person. जो electronics guy है, these are the useful for that. Guess how? These are the bitwise. Bitwise means they perform the operation on the bits like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is an OR operation. Or 0, 0. This one, every if any side is 1, final result is 1, 1, and 1. So these are the operators. Okay, and similarly, if you run 0, 0, 0, only this one. So these are the bitwise operator. Okay, so let's see one example. Example देख लेते हैं. So these are helpful for electronic person. These are helpful for networking guy. Sometimes we need to find the subnet mask, network address, broadcast address. Okay. So in that case, you can use this bitwise operator. So consider a equal to 240, b equal to 240, b equal to 1. So if I use a equal to a 241, okay, 241. So what's the meaning of that? 241. It's not addition, dear. It's not addition. If you think these are addition, these are not addition. A equal to 40, b equal to 1. What's the meaning of that? Convert this 240 to a decimal number. So calculator तो हमारे पास है ही. You can see the calculator. In the calculator you can use 240. You can see binary number. This is a binary number of 240. So मैं लिख लेता हूँ 1110000. And what's the binary number of 1? That is 000000001. So these are the binary number of A and B. Now apply the bitwise OR. ये 1000111, and when we convert it back, so this is become a 241. Okay, so in this way you can perform. अगर आपको देखना, if you want to look at what's the binary number of A, you can use bin A. What's the binary number of B? This one. Okay, so you can use binary function. 0B is telling that this is a binary number, तो इसको आप skip कर लो. How? This is slicing. I will tell you how to do that slicing. So now this is a binary number of binary number of uh, binary number of A, and this is a binary number of B in the string form. ठीक है. अब binary number, consider I have binary number C equal to 1110001. I want to know what is the decimal number of this one. भाई इसका decimal number क्या है? ठीक है. What's the decimal number of this one? So you can see, you can write int. If you just write C, this is not a binary number, just a number. It's a decimal number, but it's not a binary to decimal. If you want to know binary decimal, just give the base 2, so it's 241. Try to understand. Consider if you want to if you get a string like d equal to 1,01,000 rupee, 1,01,000. If you get this string and you want to convert to integer form, so you can use int. But if you want to, if you know this is not the 1,000, it's a binary form, and you want to convert to decimal form, so you give the base 10, you will get the 33. Okay, please tell me, getting sense or not? Binary to decimal, decimal to binary. So decimal to binary, binary to decimal. So we have two operations. So this one is binary, decimal to binary, decimal to binary, and this one means this one bin to decimal. Yes, getting sense or not? Yes, getting sense. So note down कर लो, please note it down. Decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Okay. हाँ, टाइप कास्टिंग नहीं. हाँ, टाइप कास्टिंग. सी वन थिंग, अब मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा हूँ. Let's time for question. Good question. Typecasting 10. If I say int a, I'm getting 10. Now, if I print a, what would be the value of a? It's a string or integer? Please tell me. A. What is the type of a? Integer or string? Yes, tell me. Sheikh Ibrahim is saying string, Anandesh is saying integer. So dear, it's still the string form because we are getting a new version of A. यहाँ पे हम एक नया वर्जन देख रहे हैं. न्यू वी आर गेटिंग न्यू वर्जन इन इंट फॉर्म, न्यू वर्जन इन इंटीजर फॉर्म. बस इतना सा. If you write like this, means you are reassigning it again. Now you are getting the integer value. Means you are reassigning. कैसे हो रही है? Let's check in the memory structure. कुछ consider. ये था 10 equal to this one. When you do this one, it means that new 10, but this time in the string form. Okay, so this time this one. Okay, so I hope you get the sense. चलिए, so I hope getting the sense. So next is, so bitwise भी done हो गया. So these are left shift जोर कर लेना, ठीक है. You can do this one. These are the electronic things. Okay, so let's see. Logical. अब आई कुछ काम की बात. So logical operator. What is the meaning of logical operator and or not? So we have three type of logical operator. ठीक है, ये चलते हैं ट्रू और फॉल्स पे. These works on the true false things. True and true, true and false. जहाँ one where we have used one, you can use true. Where we have used zero, you can use uh, false. Okay, true and true. Final result true. True and it's small and false means any side is false. Final result is false if we are using AND operation. Okay. In the case of OR, if any side is true, final result is true. In the case of OR, any side is true. कोई भी side true हो, you can get the true answer. Okay. Now let's run it. A equal to 30, B equal to 50. A greater than B and A greater than 45. Now tell me true or false. So it's a false. Why false? अब देखिए ये साइड क्या है. This side is false. ये साइड भी false. So both sides are false. So final result is false. So now consider B is greater still false because second side is false. ठीक है. अब consider if I write any different any variable name which is not present, any name like uh, del लिख दिया मैंने. Consider if I write del. So it is saying that del is not defined, means del variable is not present. Del variable is not present. Okay. So if I say A less than B means B is greater than sorry, and B A greater than del. Now tell me what would be the answer. Now tell me what would be the answer. Please tell me. False. Why false? Please check from here. This side is what? False. If any side is false. अब भाई अगर पहली false है, if this is false, no need to check this one. Interpreter will not check this one, that's why false answer. But if you say now we are getting your answer, del is not defined. Okay, because first side is true, ये true हो गया. Then an interpreter checks, okay, this, let's check this one. Del is not defined, that's why error. Okay, so similar with or, यहाँ पे और लगा दो. Let's run it. Now tell me. Answer. Tell me the answer. Learning something new. Thank you. It's true. Now this time we are getting true. If I make it false, I'm getting Delhi is not defined. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense of this or operator and and operator. Okay, getting sense? Chaliye. Now we have not operator. It's a not, but I say it's an inverter. वो inverter नहीं, not home inverter, electricity inverter. Invert means which inverts the value. Like inverter, we have home AC to DC, DC to AC. That's why we call it inverter. So that's why we call it. I calling it an inverter because if I use true, if I put this one and then use true, sorry, it's not false. If I use false, true. So it inverts the value. Okay, inverts the value. Okay. Logical operators are completed. Membership operator. Operator tells us if the particular you can say particular um, variable or object. Yes, object. Perfect word. Object is a member of the given object. Oh, what multiple time you are using object. Yeah, like character is a member of string. Okay, so consider a string. I'm taking a string like Python. If I check capital P in str1, yes, true. P is a member of inverter. Okay, yeah, it's spelling mistake. Okay, P is a member of str1. So if I say lowercase p is not the member of str1. If I check in, true. Yes, P is not is the not is not in str1. Okay, okay. So I hope you get the sense. So next is, and this is applicable also for a list or tuple. Consider a list of, if I say 80 in list 1, true. 80 in list 1, true. Okay. So membership operator can be applied only in the sequences and which contain other objects. Up consider you are saying, uh, let's say 7 in. This is not working. Okay, 7 lakh 7 is a complete number. It's not a different. If you write like this, and if you write like this, then you can say true. Okay, so yes, this one is not possible because it's complete integer. Okay, so sequences in the on the sequences, uh, uh, containers, the things which contain others object. On that one you can use in operator, but this is just a number, single number. Okay, so string contain characters, list contain other objects. Okay, tuple contain other object, dictionary contain other objects. You can apply in operator, not in or in. Okay, so I hope you get the sense of not in. So next is one more, is or is not. Is or is not, not is. Okay, what's the meaning of is? Can anybody tell me? Sometimes you see, we have seen like a is none, false. Okay, a equal to none, false. So what is the difference between both the language, both the syntaxes? Consider a equal to 300, b equal to 300, a equal to b, true, a is b, false. Similarly, x equal to 90, y equal to 90, x, y, x is y. It means that if this is what? This is a comparison. This is a comparison. This is a comparison. So both are same. Means 300, 300 equal. If I use is means if both are pointing to same memory location or not. A 300, B 300. Okay. Magnitude is same, means both are pointing to same type of value. This one. That's why true. But are they pointing to same memory location? No, that's false. In this case, 90, x90, y90, both are 90, true. Both are pointing to same memory location, yes. And we have all done just beginning of this lecture. हमने किया y90 is in the same memory location, not 300. Yes, tell me, getting sense or not? Please tell me in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me in the chat box. Getting sense? So जो none होते हैं, none, false, true. It's true. If you check the ID of true, this one, ID of one, ID of false, ID of none. So these are already there in the memory. Okay, none. So every time use true, same memory location. That's why sometimes we can use is, none. That's working. You can also use. Okay. Both are same. If you are using none, both are same. But if you're using 300, 400, both are not same. Sometimes people think it's like A is B. A is 300, B is 300, but please don't use this one. Use this one. Okay. Yes. Is not is opposite true. By A or E are not pointing to same memory location. Yes, that's true. Though both are not pointing to same memory location. True. Okay. So I hope you get the sense. Now it's time to check some answers. So first question: A greater than B, and sorry, instead of A, 200, and greater than 800, less than 900, or 800. No, not this one. 10 greater than 200, 300. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, please. Let me know what would be the answer. Chali, if you don't know the answer, that's okay. If answer is true or false, you can say true or false. But tell me how to calculate. What is how true, how why false, why true? नहीं error तो नहीं है. See, this is false. If you're saying error, you're wasting your what. Okay, just use true or false. Okay, it's a false, right? Why? Because and this is and. So this one is false and लग गया बीच में. This is true and final answer is false. Okay, so I hope you getting the sense. ठीक है, ये भी समझ में आ गया है, बहुत बढ़िया. Now one more. Now tell me the answer. No, a little bit more complicated. Tell me the answer. देखिए, whatever the answer, it's true or false, simple. But tell me how to calculate. What's your approach to calculate it? True. Why? Because what is the priority here? So first priority of this one. This is the first priority. So this one is false. Now this or false. This is true. So final result is true. So we need to check based upon the priority. Priority. Okay. चलिए. Now let's check the priority of different operators. So these are the priority in नीचे बढ़ रही है means increasing priority. Okay. Priority means precedence order. If you get or and so I'm saying increasing. This is increasing sign. ये decreasing लग रहा है but it's increasing means downward means increasing order and has higher priority than the or. Okay, these are all having the same priority. Same is not in is if all are the same. Okay, and bitwise and has more priority than this one and this one. Okay, so these are the priority orders. So now let's check the priority order at this case. अब देखिए now see multiply, इसको छोड़ दो भाई. Multiply, division, floor division and modulus. This is a modulus. Okay, modulus कहते हैं इसको modulus. Okay, modulus or you can say remainder. ठीक है, remainder. Both are having, all are having the same priority. ठीक है, अब मैं एक एक्सप्रेशन लिखता हूँ. Now I'm writing the one expression. ध्यान से देखना. ठीक है, 9 floor division 9 floor division 4 multiply by 4. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Yes, tell me answer. People are saying 9. Some are saying 0. Let's check. It's 8, dear. Why? May you have confusion, but here we have two operators, this one and this one. One is floor division, one is this one. Okay, one more thing, one more time. Now tell me the answer. Yeah, tell me the answer. It's 88. Okay. Now tell me the answer. Yeah, tell me the answer. It's 0. Tell me the answer. Now tell me the answer here. Calculate yourself. Answer is 32. Now let's calculate. So what is the, consider one more. So I'll explain. Okay, so this expression, let me write the expression 90 plus 9 multiply by 9 floor division 10 multiply by 4. Okay, and I told you that these are the same precedence, these contain same precedence order, means it means that this one and this one same. इसकी चलो latest means this is lower precedence, so first we need to run this part, this complete part. Now we are getting the same operators, means precedence, same operator of same precedence in one box. Operator of same precedence in one box, एक box में मिल रहे हैं ना. How to calculate कि first we need to calculate multiply, floor division, or which one should I calculate? इसको calculate करें या इसको करें? Then simple answer is, if you get the expression operator of same precedence in one box, then use left to right rule. लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ जाओ फॉर सेम बॉक्स. ओके, so left to right, first use this one, so it's 81. Then do floor division, and then this one. So floor division is 81 divided by 10, and it's floor division is saying it's 8. Yeah, 8. Just I'm confirming. And then multiply by 4, so it's 32. And then apply this plus 90. So I'm getting the 90 plus 32. Okay, 122. So I hope you get a sense. If you are getting the operator of same precedence in one box, then use left to right rule. So I hope you get a sense of today's lecture. So today we have covered a lot of things. We have covered operators, we have covered memory structure, we have covered different type of operators, memory structure, variable things, and rules, how Python stores the variable, integer, float, and string. So I hope you liked today's lecture. So please tell me in the chat box. I'm checking the comments. Yes, tell me. Okay, and one more thing, please check the syllabus of data science and here, Let's Upgrade website. This is beautiful, and enroll yourself in this course. Okay, so very, very, very top course in the market, data science and web development. In today's market, these two courses are prevalent. Okay, you can choose web development or data science based upon your you can say your interest. Okay, data science. So please enroll in this one and learn something significant today. So bye everyone. Bye bye. We will meet again tomorrow. Bye bye.
If you have liked this Essentials program, which is giving you a confidence that you can become a developer, this is just a starting. You can enjoy this learning for at least next 6 months and also become a full stack web developer or a full stack data science person and crack a job end of the day. If you are interested for that program, just go check out LetsUpgrade's full stack program right now from the website. What are the key features of LetsUpgrade's full stack program? 3 key features of LetsUpgrade full stack program. Number 1, you get to learn everything live by an expert coming in from an industry. So this expert is working as a day job, and sham ke time, evening time, this guy is going to teach you in your classes. This cohort is going to be of only 20 students at the max. So lots of focus is there on you to make you an industry ready developer, and you can get jobs in 150 plus partner companies that we have got, that LetsUpgrade has got, NPCI, Red Cross and various other companies. Now talking about the second feature, you get to build 15 plus projects. These 15 projects will help you get the confidence that you can be the top-notch developer at any company. Let it be the FANG companies or the MANG companies, or let it be any tier 2 or a service-based or a product-based companies. Third and the last feature, we have an amazing job board where on a day-to-day basis, we get 10 to 20 job descriptions, JDs, job applications being uploaded by companies directly. You can go ahead and check out those all jobs, apply, and we will go and get you prepared for that interview. So this is the 3 things, 3 big USPs of LetsUpgrade's full stack program. Go join right now. You can avail a 20% straight discount. The price of this program is 36,600, but you can get this program for 29,600 right now. Go check it out and let's meet in your batch 1, which is happening this Saturday. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.